Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark and we were invited by BYD para sa kanilang Tech Tour. And of course, sasaksihan natin ngayon ang pag-unveil ng kanilang bagong unit. So samahan niyo ako sa video na to. Ipapakita ko guys kung anong nangyari. At kung interested kayo sa mga ganitong klaseng sasakyan, you might wanna watch this video until the end. So samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Good morning, I'm Manny Versosa, General Manager, BYD Pampanga under Value Sales Inc. We launched the newest model of the BYD, which is the Tang DM-i. And at the same time, we also announced the raffle winner. Those customers who purchased from April 9 up to yesterday are included in the raffle, which they can win a BYD model, which is the CL5 Dynamic.
Congratulations BYD Pampanga and BYD Clark and of course BYD Philippines for launching your Tang DM-i unit dito po sa SM City Clark. So this is actually a hybrid unit po. I remember I saw this dun sa BYD Pampanga natin, yung full EV version naman niya. So nauna natin nakita dun yun. And I saw na talagang dumami yung demand for the hybrid muna since you know, these companies, yung mga ganitong advocacies are starting to build yung mga charging station spots all over the Philippines. But yung mga hybrid, talagang nagkaroon ng demand. And they saw it, and this one is actually an SUV. So this is for, you know, pang all around.
My name is Renzi Luwat.
And I'm Mark M. Luwat. Start kaming gumamit ng BYD 2022. Ang ganda ng benepisyo kasi sobrang nakakatipid ka sa gasolina.
Yes, and of course yung environment natin, nasa-save din natin kasi less
Nakakatulong tayo
pollution.
sa environment natin.
Will you recommend BYD to our viewers?
Of course.
Oo.
Actually, matagal na siyang nagre-recommend sa mga tao.
Yung battery, maganda yung battery nila. Yung warranty, maganda. Yung interior, maganda. Overall, wala akong masabi.
Sir Nigel, hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so kasama natin si Sir Iman. Test ride natin yung kanilang Tang DM-i. Tama, Sir Nigel?
Yes, Tang DM-i, a brand new model of BYD po.
Simula si Tang dito sa Philippines as full EV.
Correct.
And then right now is nilaunch natin ngayon yung kanila, yung sa inyong hybrid.
Yes, sir. Definitely po. So, syempre, we want to cater all markets po, no? In regards po sa mga SUV competitors natin. BYD also offers yung executive or premium 7-seater na pwede nating ma-experience kay BYD Tang DM-i.
Ano yung highlight or standout kay Tang?
Syempre, interiors, yung range po niya. Approximately, it can run po as a whole 1,160 kilometers.
Wow, that is from diba, Manila to Pagudpud ba yun? Parang ganun.
Pwede po siya. Actually, yung mga other videos natin
Yes.
na nag-estimate ng kilometers or reach ng mga hybrids natin is minsan lumalagpas pa po sila. So most likely pagudbod, balikan, kayang-kaya.
Balikan, okay.
Meron yan mga cruise control, intelligent cruise control sa 15-inch camera, 12 speakers po yan, dyno audio by the way.
Wow!
Also, it includes 360-degree cameras na po siya, 8 sensors. So,
yung sensor na yun ang ginagawa natin.
yes, yun po yung pinaka-main safety natin sa sensors when it comes to driving po. So, 4 sa harap, 4 sa likuran po. V2L technology, sir.
V2L?
Yes, vehicle to load po. So, what we mean by vehicle to load?
Okay.
So, vehicle to load is much more usable sa mga camping trips or outside trips. If ever na wala tayong power source. So you can use those po. You can use our own BYD Tang as a power source po ng
Oh, I got it.
trip natin.
So, minsan yun yung ginagamitan natin na ng pang-charge.
Correct po siya.
Sabihin na natin, medyo nahuli na tayo sa ganitong technology, but at least Philippines is going there. And we are,
Yes.
kumbaga, accepting it na. No?
Yes, actually, very, very warm po ang pag-welcome ng
Correct.
Philippine market sa
Yes.
kay BYD. Siyempre, we also wanted everyone to have our unit, and siyempre gusto rin ng BYD na ma-experience nyo ang hybrid and electric technology. Especially, you can visit our showroom po, no? Sa BYD Pampanga.
Yes.
Also, we have branches from Pangasinan and BYD Clark.
Speaking of experience, ayan, sobrang naiinis ako kasi di ko na-experience eh. Pero tanungin ko na lang si Sir Iman. Ayan. Sir Iman, kumusta naman yung driving experience natin?
Okay naman po sir, maganda naman yung stock po ni mga sasakyan ngayon. Tsaka, iba't ibang mga mode dito sir.
Yes, anong mga mode natin, sir?
Sports mode, tsaka maraming klase sir.
Ay, actually, next time, ayan, so siguro mas maganda puntahan natin yung BYD Pampanga located dun sa may OG Road para kung may time din may test drive din tayo na sa Nigel.
Yes, actually, we are open po, no? From Monday to Sunday, 8:30 to 5:30 po.
We wanna thank you for being with us in this video and congratulations BYD Philippines in general na, no?
Yes.
At saka kina Sir Oscar and everyone, congratulations po for the success of BYD dito sa Pampanga. And hopefully, part din tayo ng change
Yes.
in terms of helping save the environment din. Alright,
Yes.
thanks so much Sir Nigel.
Thank you po.
Thanks so much Sir Eman.